like cleaning machine. Oh yeah, high tech. Smiles everywhere, so. Hello guys, nice to meet you on my channel, and today I'm gonna show you unboxing of my new toy. Yes, exactly. Anycubic Photon Mono M5s Pro. High tech. And today we will watch it. How is it inside? Yeah, okay. So let's check what we have. 10.1 inch 14K HD screen. Oh my god. Average printing speed up to 105 millimeters per hour. So it's time to show you, and let's do it. Oh, looks really nice. I think it's perfect size. One really important thing. I want to say thank you. Yes, you, my bro, my chill bro. Thank you so much because of you my dream come true, and everyone can see it, I can feel it, and I will show you how my dream looks like. Perfect. And you can see I'm pretty strong, that I can, you know. So, okay. Oh my god, you're so cute. It's a big smile. Okay, so. I think it's a table. Like, hi. No, it's not a phone actually. I know it's not a phone. It means that we will have pretty nice smell during we are doing our product. You know what they said? This is the most interesting part of this unboxing, you know? Okay, continue. What is that? Oh, it's really cool because in every part they put, you know, paper. Oh, okay. Please tear off the protective film and then stick the screen protector according to the usage instruction. Okay, something serious. I will put it here. I think it's bigger one. It looks so cool. I love it. Look at this. I think it's glows. USB. This is screen protector. Accessorize. Oh, I think it's adapter. Yeah, and yeah, a couple computer bits. Looks cool, professional. And mask. Something like 5 masks. Okay, 2, something like this. Pretty long. It's a good pen. I love it. I love it. Oh, no, it's a little bit, I don't know. So cool. You need to touch it because it's not usual. It's really not usual. You have to try it. Oh, it's a bigger part. I think it's okay. We don't need it. Everything good. But as you remember, I'm a strong lady. I think it's, oh my god, looks really interesting. This machine, like something I never had before. such toys, so for me it's everything, like for the first time, maybe for you too. Then I think I need to read instruction how to work with it. Yeah, it's a good idea. You know, looks so really clean. And so let's try to put this one here. It looks like I can put my parrot inside. Oh, it's easy. I love it. Anycubic. In the instruction they say you have to put off everything. Finally. I think it's cute. It's so cute. Okay, so guys, let's put a temporary here and let's see what we have in this second box. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do it. So, it's my cleaning machine. Oh yeah, because I want my toys to be clean. Okay, let's do the same thing. Like this. Let's start from here. Smells everywhere, so this one really positive. Okay, nice. Yep. Ooh, wash, cure, start post, Thxxx You. Okay, I think it's LED here. You can see a small one. I think they really packed it very good, and how it will arrive to you, I think without problem, because as you can see, it's really good, have good protection. Wow, it's like a Kinder, you know? Okay, it's like hat, can be here. One more new thing. This looks interesting. You can see it can do different kind of form. Maybe it's better don't play with it. It's like hard, you know. But it's really cool. No, maybe it's light. It's light. So here we have everything which we need for to get everything together. Like a beautiful plate. Love it. Looks cool. Okay guys, so we end with our unboxing, of my new friends, and right now I'm feeling like I want to make it a little bit clear, and then we can see how it will work. Yes, so check it. So as you can see in our set, we have printer itself, printing platform, grabber, anti-scratch film kit, USB flash drive, power adapter, gloves, air-made kit, toolkit, leveling paper, mask. So in our clean machine we have machine itself, kit light, power adapter, toolkit, and couple of beautiful plates. Moreover, for cleaning kit we have a bunch of different cute things. Silicone pad, bottle, nice hat, gloves, cleaning pads, and cutters. And the most important part is high-speed resin. I have 7 kilograms of it. I think it's cool, you know, how many things I can produce. Let's go.
Looks nice. Temperature check, some resin, some clicks. Oh, here is my favorite part. This is best things. The next is sun bath. Looks good. Oh, here the result. I love it. Looks on my cute mushrooms. What do you think? Do you like it?